Unlock the power of your American Express gift card at the Apple Store. But know this before you go. So, you've got an American Express gift card and you're eager to snag that new iPhone or iPad from the Apple Store. You can absolutely do this, both online and in person. But there are a few key things to keep in mind for a seamless experience. First up, online purchases. Apple's website, like many retailers, primarily accepts major credit cards. This is where you'll need to do a little preparation. American Express gift cards themselves aren't directly entered into the payment field as a gift card. Instead, you'll need to register your Amex gift card first. Head to the American Express website or the specific website mentioned on the back of your gift card to register it. You'll link it to your name and a billing address. This is crucial because when you go to pay on Apple's site, you'll almost treat it like a regular credit card. Enter your gift card number, the expiration date, and the security code, just as you would with any other credit card. But here's the important part for the billing address. Use the address you just registered your gift card with if the total of your purchase exceeds the balance on your Amex gift card. You'll need to have a secondary payment method ready to cover the difference. Now, for in-store purchases, the process is very similar and often even simpler. Simply present your American Express gift card at the checkout counter just like you would any other credit or debit card. The cashier will process it through their system again if your purchase amount is more than your gift card balance. Be prepared to pay the remaining portion with another form of payment. It's a good idea to check your gift card balance before you head to the store or start your online shopping to avoid any surprises at checkout. With these steps, you'll be enjoying your new Apple goodies in no time.